Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 electric polisher machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, dual action polishing machine. Specifications. Brand name, Auto Care. Speed range, 1500 to 6500 per minute. Origin, CN origin. Bare weight, 2.4 kilograms. Speed stall, 6. Rated input power, W, 680 watts. Rated voltage, 110-120 volts / 220 volts to 230 volts. Frequency, 50. The item number 2 is cordless mini polisher. Specifications. Brand name, Auto Care. Applicable wheel diameter range, 4 inch. Speed range, 600 to 3000 RPM. Origin, CN origin. Bare weight, 1.5 kilograms. Speed stall, 5. Rated input power, W, 12 volts. Charger voltage, 220 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Basis car polishing machine. Specifications. Brand name, Basis. Speed range, 3800 revolutions per minute. Bare weight, 1000 grams. Speed stall, 4. Rated input power, W, 30 watts. Battery capacity, 4000 mAh. Battery life, about 45 minutes. Charging time, 4-5 hours. Rated power, 30 watts. Voltage, 7.4 volts. Size, 236-150 millimeters. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.